Hello and welcome to Performance Services Incorporated and Composet Products LLC. Here we have a late model Nissan NV200 cargo van that the customer is converting into a camper van. The NV200 is a very small vehicle. Composet Products sourced an 18-inch by 12-inch sliding RV style window with a screen to fit in the back panel of the Nissan. We used the window and the clamp ring to create a template that we used to mark the opening in the van wall, as well as create an interior panel that would be insulated and also equal the depth of the clamp ring. We applied the template and outlined it with blue painter's tape to protect the van paint from damage. Using a jigsaw, we cut the opening to fit the window. After making the opening, we installed butyl tape to the back side of the window frame and slid the window into the opening. We then installed the insulated plywood panel around the window, followed by the clamp ring, and secured the clamp ring to the window with screws. Once the window was secured in place, we caulked the outside perimeter frame with Sikaflex 221 urethane sealant. This is the end product. The window looks great in the Nissan. We installed one on each side of the van. Reach out to us at Performance Services, www.performanceservices.com or at composetproducts.com. Thank you for your time. And again, look us up on the internet for more information on these windows and our installation services. Performanceservices.com, composetproducts.com.